So, maayong hapon kaninyong tanan.
Ayong hapon, Father.
Nalipay ko kay na ang ato mga partner communities diri. O napo dila ang estudyante namo na ang ilang kasingkat kay nasa social awareness. So the social civic organizations are all here. So again, welcome to everybody. As well as the formation cluster is also here. So palapakan natin isa't isa. Right, so I'm Father J. Boy Gonzalez for those who are part of the community. So I'm a Jesuit, so I'm a pari po ako kay mukha akong ganito. So hindi ako naka-clerical shirt. Ako po ay pari diri sa senior high school. Duwel mi ka pari ana diri si Father Eric Escandor, who is the chaplain here. Wala naman. So he's a chaplain while I'm the assistant principal for formation. So, mas maganda isipin natin ang upat kabutang. Ang una ay human development or human formation. So, ulitin natin yung pinakauna.
Human formation.
Second, spiritual formation.
Spiritual
Third,
formation.
social formation.
Social formation.
Fourth, leadership formation.
Leadership
So
formation.
basically, when we talk about formation, we're talking about the four aspects of formation. Nano kaning upat, Saint Ignatius, who is the founder of us Jesuits, noong 1500s, gi-form niya ang mga Jesuit na mga pari, na siya spiritual exercises. Dito sa spiritual exercise, naging siya na ang pagtanaw nato sa tao in ani. So we are made to praise, honor, and serve God, and by this means, save souls. So ang atong kinabuhi ay kinahanglan ka ng, hindi ko alam kung anong, Bicolano po ako, trying hard makabisaya. So, to praise and give honor and to serve God, that is our purpose in life. So, ang tao, magiging perfect na tao, kumbaga, very, very human, kung ang iyang kinabuhi, silbi sa Ginoo, naglilingkod sa Diyos, gahatag siya o, kumbaga, ano to papuri sa Diyos, sa iyang kinabuhi. Pero ang tanang-tanan ni kay natay purpose. Ang purpose to save souls. Kumbaga, anong tawag doon? Salvation.
Kaluwasan.
Atong kaluwasan. Human, dahil sinabi niya to save souls, so makikita mo na ang formation. Yung we, ibig sabihin tao. So may human formation. Sa human formation, makita natin na sa atong eskwelahan. There are two aspects that we have as humans. Unang-una, our intellectual capacity. So there's the intellectual formation. Yun ang ginagawa ng academics. So ang pagtaas sa ilang IQ. Second, ang ginahimo namo, o kay di ang tao ay di ilang nahuna-huna, kundi na feelings ko, tama? Ay feelings. So, nami pagsaka po sa among EQ. So, na empathy, na siya'y kasing-kasing sa mga lain na tao, na siya'y kasing-kasing para sa mga kabus, na siya'y inanag, so, kung ibutan na ni Muntanan, mo ng tao. So, ang empathy, hinahawakan ng tinatawag namin wellness. Hindi na guidance, katawa naman good guidance, pero ang guidance mag-good na una-una bitaw na kapag na kay problema, ipag-guidance ka, kaya kinaanan mo guidance. Dili inana, pagtanaw na to.
Counseling.
Pero hindi ganun ang pagtingin natin. Ang pagtingin natin, we are responsible for the well-being of each person here in Ateneo de Davao Senior High School and also the people whom we care about outside. So, ang kasing-kasing importante, our emotional well-being is important. So, we do not call it anymore guidance, but we call it wellness. Wellness is for everybody. That's why the people who go to wellness are not just those who feel that they need someone to talk to, but everybody, every single student. Okay? So, we're developing what? Compassion. Which is, makita man nila sa baba. Among value kay, ma-develop ang kasing-kasing, magkaroon siya ng empathy and compassion sa bawat isa. So may understanding, may empathy, may compassion. But the human being is not complete unless that human being is related to someone, and ang pinakadakuan na, related to God. So we are developing our students to always remember that their identity is always with regards other people. Malalaman nila mga anak kahit ang inyong apelyido pa lang, you're always related to your family. Correct? So we are social beings. That is why the higher relationship that we have is not just with the people, our families, our friends, but eventually, if you look at the deepest relationship, is that with God. That is why the spiritual formation is there. And the spiritual formation, ang in charge po niyan ay ang campus ministry. What can you learn from other people as well na mo na matabang sa inyo? Matabang ninyo sa ako mga estudyante kay. Unang-una, is called cultural awareness and empathy. You learn how to develop a heart for other people. Mo na ang empathy. Kaya meron kaming sinasabi na persons for others. Can you repeat that for me?
Persons for others.
Meaning, the meaning, purpose, and direction of your life is always in relationship to others. You are for another person. So you will experience that when you suddenly fall in love, and then you get to know that happiness is not discovered by yourself. Happiness is discovered when it is about other people. So your life is for other people. Mao ba ang matabang ninyo sa immersion mo? Ang second na matabang sa ating ang tinatawag natin social responsibility. So sa social responsibility, makabalo mga bata bitaw na abi nila ang Ateneo ang kalibutan. Dili Ateneo po ang kalibutan. Ang real life, they always like this, real talk. Di ba? Sabi nyo, real talk. And this one is real life. When you go outside, you get to see real life. Because your experience here in Ateneo, this is not the world. Okay guys? Hi guys, hello?
Hello,
This is
Father.
not the world. So, there, you begin to discover the real world. The real world where people suffer. The real world where people get hurt. The real world where people experience abandonment. The real world where people are not economically rich, etc. Karang tinuod bitaw kinabuhi, di ba? Kung sa'yo bitaw murag makabalta baka pabitaw na abi nato ang kalibutan inani na nai-aircon paggawas ni wala. Importante gud na makita nimo na ang kalibutan ay dili aircon.
Tama, Jud, Father.
Hi guys, tinuod ba?
Yes, Father.
Makita nimo na ang kalibutan ay dili puro tanan luxury or kanang mayong kinabuhi ba? Ano? So, matabangan ko na academically ang mga bata. Tawag dyan ay service learning. And then finally, ang tamang talaga, so ang pangutana, learning from outside, what's next? What can you contribute to the well-being of others? To the upliftment of others? Masay matabang para pag nagdako na bitaw mo, ako mga estudyante, pag nag-graduate na mo sa Ateneo, tapos nag-graduate na mo college, pag na may trabaho, ang among wish lang kay, pag nagtrabaho mo o na mo sa gobyerno, dili mo malintang na yung mga tao na kinanglan o tama.